now. Okay.
हाँ हाँ हाँ.
Sairam children, how are you? I hope you all are fit and fine.
Yes,
Yes?
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, good. Good to hear that. And you're enjoying studies, practicing every day?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, very good. So today we'll learn something new. So as we have finished Unit 4 poem that is Rain. So today we'll do some grammar part. For that, let me share my screen first. I hope you can see this slide.
Yes, ma'am. I can see, ma'am.
Okay. So before beginning our class, let's do Omkar. For that, please join your hands, close your eyes, and let's chant Omkar 3 times.
Yes, ma'am.
Om. Om. Saira. So today, as children, we have
Saira,
discussed
ma'am.
earlier. Okay, we have learned in the month of April and May what is noun. We already discussed it. Today we'll learn different types of noun. Right? So
Yes.
first, let me recall you what is noun. So can you tell me what is noun? Do you remember anything?
Ma'am, it is. Yes, ma'am. It is the name of something.
Yeah, it is. Noun means simply name. Name of anything, right? It can be name of person, it can be name of place, it can be name of animals or name of anything as well as name of any emotions, any feelings, right? All right. So this we already
Yes,
discussed
ma'am.
in class 1
Yes.
also and in class 2 also, right? So today we'll see what are different types of nouns. All right. So we'll see today types of nouns.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. So first just we'll see what is noun here. Noun is a word used to indicate a person, thing, person, thing, place, or idea. And it can be any emotions, any feelings. Let's learn about proper noun and common noun. So we'll see different types of noun, proper, common, and collective noun today. Okay? Okay. So let's see
Yes,
what
ma'am.
is proper noun. So proper noun is used to refer to a specific person. It means, for example, it is given here name of any boy. Let's read the example here. John is a very smart boy. So what is proper noun as it is highlighted here in red color? You can see John because John is referring to a specific person, to a particular boy we can say, right? So proper noun gives exact
Yes.
address we can say. We can learn in this way. It gives an exact address to a particular person or place or any object. It's that known as proper noun. And what is common noun? Common noun is used to refer class of people or places or objects. Example, we'll take the same example, children. John is a very smart boy. So here John is here, but we have not highlighted. You can see the highlighted color word here, boy. Okay, so it's a class of
Yes, ma'am.
people. Many boys are there in the class. If I'll go to your class and if I'll say send that boy, so do you understand which boy am I asking? No. If I'll say
No, ma'am.
send to Ram, okay, then you will and that will be proper address to a particular boy. Then we can identify as a proper noun and will able to respond, right? Here, boy is a class. We know that in our
Yes.
school also, if we'll talk about our school, we'll take an example. So many boys are there in every classes. Many girls are there. One more example, children, like that teacher told me, or I love that teacher. So teacher is what? Common noun or proper noun? Teacher word.
Ma'am, common noun.
It's a common noun because many
Common
teachers
noun.
are there. Many, it's a class of people, right? Those who teach in any school, they are
Yes.
known as teacher. It may be your school teacher, it may be your class teacher, it may be other subject teacher, it may be other class teacher or some other school teacher. So that belongs to a particular class of people, right? So it is known as common noun. If I say Nisha ma'am, so Nisha ma'am will be a common noun or proper noun?
Ma'am, proper noun.
Yes, that will be proper noun. Suppose I'll say give this notebook to Nisha ma'am. So definitely you will be able to go and give that notebook to Nisha ma'am, right? As you know, this is a proper noun. It's a exact address you are getting. You know whom to give. If I say give this book to ma'am, so you will go in the staff room and so many ma'ams are sitting there. So would you able to do that? No, right? You
Yes.
will get
No,
confused
no, no.
because teacher or ma'am is a common noun. But if we specify name like John here, that will be a proper noun. I hope you have understood. Let's see and see more examples in the form of pictures. Okay, so examples
Yes,
of
yes.
proper noun. So here you can see a man and his name is Jackie Chan. Have you heard about him? He's very famous. So
No,
we'll
ma'am.
not talk about him here. We'll talk about it is a name given to this man, and we know that, and we can get the exact address here, and we can go and talk to him. If we say give this bag to this man, Jackie Chan. So we'll go and we'll give. Okay. For example, if
Yes.
we'll take another example, Ram. So we'll go to Ram and we'll give this back. We'll be able to give this back to Ram, right? So it's a specific name here, children, right? For example, you have Radha in your class, you have Rohan in your class. These are the particular proper noun. It's a particular name of any boy or girl. So that will be a proper noun. Okay, so it's a
Yes.
name of any person here given. Now it's a Devon house. So any house whose name is Devon house, we can take another example like Taj Mahal. We can take one more example like Red Fort. Okay, so that will be a name of any place, and it's a specific name here, so that will be proper noun. All right.
Yes, ma'am.
I think some sound is coming here, so you can mute your mic if you want. If I need, I'll ask you question. Okay. Okay. All right. Yes. So now here you can see one bag is here and some name is given to this bag, Jansport bag, for example. It's a name of some company, right? So here you can see it's a name of a thing. So it's a particular name, specific name given here. So it's again a proper noun. And here is a dog you can see. And what is written here? Lassie. So it's a name of this dog. So it's again it is a example of proper noun of animal, name of any animal. Let's see the common noun examples. Okay. So here what you can see, what is written here?
Ma'am, girl.
Girl, yes. So it is a name of any girl. Girl is a name of any girl or just a class?
Ma'am, a full class.
A full class of people, right? So we can say it's a class of people, and girl is not a proper noun. It's a class here, it's a category here, right? Boy, girl, man, woman, these are the classes, right? So here it is the example of common noun. Let's see this one. It's an animal, and which animal is this? What is written here?
Ma'am, cat.
Cat. So they have not specified the name of cat here. It's again the class of particular species, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So it's a class of animal. So give an example cat, we can say rat, we can say lion, we can say tiger, parrot, anything. Okay? So it's a class. Now here it's again it's an example of place. So church. It can be any church you have seen. Name is also written on the church. Holy church or some other church. Name would be written. That will be a proper noun. But here it's a common place. It can be any church. If I'll say you have to come to church on this Sunday. So definitely you would ask which church, right? Which church? You would ask the name of the church. Definitely if we'll have 3 4 church around in a city, then what happen? You know the name, you want the name.
Ma'am, your voice is breaking, ma'am. I cannot hear.
My voice is breaking today.
Yes, ma'am.
Now it's okay.
Yes, ma'am. Now it's okay.
Okay. So here it's an example of place. Again, it's a class of place. It's not written the name of this church, and it is commonly called church, right? A holy place for Christian, that is called church. It can be any city, it can be any place. No name is mentioned here, so it will be again the example of common noun. Now my voice is clear. You are getting it properly.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now it's a bag. We have seen in earlier picture here again it was a bag here, but name was written of this bag. Some name was given, right? So it was proper, but here only bag is written. So we all have bag. We all friends have bag in we carry bags in school and we have different color bags. So that is a class of thing. So please understand, no particular name is given to this bag, right? So it will be common noun here. Okay, let's see
Yes,
collective
ma'am.
nouns. What are collective nouns? So one word that names a group of people, animals, or things. As we have discussed the group of animals before, so today again we'll discuss little bit. But it can be a group of any people, any animal, or things, right? So that group is known as collective nouns, as collection is already defines or refers to a group, particular group. Okay, suppose you have collection of frocks, 3 4 beautiful frocks you have, so you say now I have beautiful collection of frocks, right? So here this collective means group. Collective means group, and noun means name of people, place, animal, thing, right? So here not place but group of people, animals, or things. Okay, for example, an army of soldiers. So the group of soldiers is known as army, which is written in the pink color, ARMY. The collective noun is here army, or it is used for group of soldiers, right? Okay, here you can see a bunch of keys. You can see a bunch of keys here.
Yes, ma'am. Lot of things.
Lots of keys when we have 3 4 5 6 7 keys. So what we call the group, the collection of that key, particular key will be known as bunch, right? The
Bunch.
noun, collective noun will be here. Yes, bunch, bunch. A bunch of keys. One more example. Many ducks you can see. How many ducks? One mama duck and 4 baby ducks. Total 5 are here, right? So
Yes,
the
ma'am.
collection or group of ducks is known as a team. What we say? A team of ducks.
Team of ducks.
Very good. Let's see the another example here. Group of people. Again, the collective noun. When many players are there in the team, so that is known as a team of players. So team will be used for group of players when many players are there. As you know, many games are there which is played in groups, not single, like kho, kabaddi, right? Players are there, cricket, volleyball, basketball, yes or no? So what
Yes,
we say,
ma'am.
the group of people, the group of players here, we say A team of players. Okay, let's see the
Team of
another one.
players.
Here, few example of group of person, the collective noun of persons. Here, when we have a group of singers, then we say a choir. What we say, the group of singers, a choir.
Choir.
Choir. Yes, a choir of singers. So, for singers group, we use the word choir. The collective noun is here, choir. Yes. Now, tourists are there. Many tourists. Tourists, you know?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, who come from another place to visit different places, right? Who move
Yes,
here and there and see and visit places. Yes. So that they are, you can see many are there, six are there. So it's a group of tourists. So what we say? We say flock of tourists. Okay.
flock of tourists.
Yes. Now dancers. Here can see a group of dancers. Many girls are there. Dancers, girls. Yes. So what
Yes,
we say, the collection, the group of dancers is known as troop. The troop of dancers.
troop of dancers.
Yes. Now, students, as you are also a student, so it is very useful for us and for you also. So, what we use for a group of students, we use class. A class of students.
A class of students.
Very good. So then, suppose you have observed many times, like some teachers use class, listen to me, or class, stand up. Especially your PT teachers sometimes use this word, class, attention, stand at ease. They use this word, class. So that is means a group of students, right? Okay. And here again, the example is given. Group of soldiers is known as army. An army of soldiers. Okay. So this was
Army of soldiers.
this was a group of person, collective noun for people. Now let's see the collective noun used for animals. This we have already discussed. We'll see little bit more today. Okay. Sheep. So if many sheep are here, so the group will represent a flock of sheep. Here you can see only one sheep, but this is not for one. This is a collective noun, which means a group, a collection, when many are there. Okay, so it means, so for sheep, what we use? The collective noun
Flock
is
of
a flock
sheep.
of sheep. Yes. Now for lion,
Ma'am, we
what
will not say sheeps.
yeah, we'll not say sheep. We'll say a flock of sheep.
Ma'am, S will
Yes?
not come, ma'am.
Yeah, S will come here. It is not there. Yeah, S will come. Flock of sheeps, right?
Yes, ma'am.
And here a pride of lions. So it represents a group of lions.
Yes, ma'am.
This lion, how scary it is.
Ma'am, here only one lion, but many lions are called
Yeah,
pride of
yeah,
lions.
that's what I'm saying. They are representing their group. They are the leaders of the group. Suppose group is coming, and they have come here to represent their group as a team leader. So it's a leader of any big group of lions. So that group will be known as Pride of Lions. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
And for bees, what we use? Many bees are there. When so what we use for groups of bees, we use hive.
Hive.
Hive. Hive. Hive of bees. You must have heard beehive. You have
Yes,
seen beehive?
yes, ma'am.
Mathematical.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am,
So what
that, ma'am, that chapter you said swarm of bees, ma'am.
yeah, in that chapter it was swarm of bees, but sometimes there are one or two names are there for that collective noun, particular group. As it happens in other example also, I'll share one more day because it will be a long video today. So I have taken few examples today. In separate video, I'll discuss about the collective nouns of animals only. So in few examples, in few animal cases, it happens there are two words, two collective nouns. So hive of bees also correct and swarm of bees is also correct, right?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay? Yes. Very good. You remember that one. Right. So let's see. Yes. Some more example of animals here. An army of ants, a flock of sheep, a pride of lions, a school of fish, a paddling of ducks. Okay?
Ma'am, why school of fish? Fishes go to school, ma'am.
No, but the group is known as school. They don't go to school, but the name is given like that. Okay, the collective noun, the group for these fishes is known as school. They don't go to school like you. Okay,
Ma'am.
okay. Let's see the collective noun for things. Okay, so here when you have bunches of flower, we also say bunches of flower, but the group is also known as bouquet of flowers. Here T is silent, so don't say bouquet. It's a bouquet. Okay, a bouquet of flowers. Can you read?
A bouquet of flowers.
Very good. A wad of notes.
A wad of notes.
So when we have many notes, a bundle of notes, then we say wad of notes. Okay. We also use bundle for notes, right? But
Yes.
this is also the one which we use the collective noun for notes. Now next is a bunch of keys. We already saw this example.
Yes, ma'am. Bunch of keys. Many keys.
Yes. Many keys. Yes. A basket of fruits. A basket is here and which is filled with many fruits. So the group here is representing, which word is representing here this basket? The fruits,
Basket of
basket of
fruits.
fruits. Yes, right. Now many trees are there, so the group will represent forest. A forest of trees.
A forest of trees.
Yes. So here let's see a worksheet to do this common noun and proper noun which we have seen today. So see children, in this column, in the first column you can see the common noun, in the second column you can see proper noun, right? Here what we have to do, we have to match the common noun to the proper noun. The correct matching we have to do. So let's read first. Country, festival, man, building, book, river, city, month, day. All right. And
Yes.
here we have Eiffel Tower, Abraham Lincoln, the Arabian Nights, Sunday, May, Nile, Germany, Christmas, Sydney. Okay. So country. You will match with which one? Which is the country you can see here?
Ma'am, Germany.
Germany. Okay, very good. Now festival.
Ma'am, Christmas.
Christmas, very good. Next is
Ma'am.
Germany. Christmas is over. Yes. Man. Who is a man? Abraham Lincoln is a man, right? So we'll match
Yes,
with
ma'am.
this. Abraham Lincoln. Now, building. Which building? Can you see this picture?
Yes, ma'am.
What is this? Which tower? This is Eiffel Tower, right?
Eiffel Tower.
Eiffel Tower. Yes. So we'll match with this building, Eiffel Tower.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, book. The
Book.
Arabian Nights. It's the
Yes,
name
ma'am.
of a book. Okay. Now,
Yes, ma'am.
river. Nile is the name of a river.
Yes.
City.
City.
City, Sydney.
Sydney.
Okay.
Yes.
Month,
Ma'am, May.
May. Day,
Sunday.
Sunday, which is Sunday. Yes. So here you have seen it is a common noun. Country, it can be any country, children. That is why it is a common noun here, right? It's representing a class of any country. Festival, again, it can be any festival, but here it is in this column, it is specifying it is Christmas festival. So it is a proper noun here. I hope you have understood this worksheet and will be able to do by your own, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Now you can do it.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Let's see one more worksheet, small one we have on collective nouns, right? So here we have already seen the different collective nouns. So you have to fill this, right? You have to write. So for example, a dash of birds,
Yes, ma'am.
right? So will you be able to do this? Would you like to find some new ones also like oyster, musician, wolves? These we have not discussed today. So that you have to find it out, right? This is your homework. All
No,
right.
ma'am. What will be grapes?
So that's I'm saying you need to find out.
Okay, ma'am.
Few new are here, new examples are here, which we have not discussed today. But what you have to do, you have to learn that one, and you have to find the new one also, which is not known to you. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Will you find out? Would
Yes,
you
ma'am.
like to know the groups, the collective nouns for these new words?
Yes, ma'am. I can find out, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay. So do this worksheet, children, and find the new collective nouns and learn which you have discussed already.
Yes.
Okay? So thank you, children. This was from
Yes,
today's
ma'am.
class. We'll meet in the next video with new topic. Okay, I hope you liked the class today. I've understood the types of nouns like collective, proper, and common nouns.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so at the end, we'll do Shanti part. For that, join your hand, close your eyes. Om Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Sai Ram, children.
Sairam, ma'am.
Yes.